A very warm good morning to all my sweet little kids of 6th standard. Welcome once again to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School. So, how are you all? I hope you are all doing fine. How were your exams? Did you all do well? I'm sure that my brilliant, fantastic, dazzling kids of 6th standard have attempted your exams very well and you're all going to score great marks. So let's get on to our online classes. My dear children, do you remember what we were discussing in our last class? Yes, we were speaking about the nouns. We spoke about singular nouns and plural nouns. In today's class, we are going to discuss a very new topic, that is possessive nouns. Now, first of all, what is the meaning of to possess? To possess means to own something, or you are having a belonging to. So possessive nouns also speaks about belonging. It speaks about ownership. How do you define a possessive noun? Possessive nouns are names that show ownership or possession. For example, suppose I am speaking about this pen. Whose pen is this? This pen belongs to me. So, how do you show a possessive noun? You can say it as Nida ma'am's pen. So this is what you mean by possessive noun, showing belongingness. Possessive nouns are usually formed by adding an apostrophe along with the noun. There are some rules and regulations for how you form possessive nouns, and today we are going to discuss those simple rules and regulations. Now quickly, let me just refresh your mind on the previous topic that we had studied. We studied about singular nouns and plural nouns. We also said that singular nouns are made plural by adding s along with it. So remember children, whenever you are forming plural nouns from singular nouns, the s is written without an apostrophe. And possessive nouns are nouns written with an apostrophe. Is that clear to you? So how do you form possessive nouns from singular nouns? So can you give me few examples of singular nouns? It could be anything. It could be table, chair, pen, paper, doll, cat, dog, mouse, anything. Okay, so when you are forming possessive nouns from singular nouns, you simply add an s along with the noun with an apostrophe. Let us look at this example. Here we have dog's house. Did you see how it is written? Dog apostrophe s. Books, words. Book apostrophe s, words. Those dolls belongs to a girl. So how do you write that? Girls, dolls. Those chicks are of that mother bird. So how do you write that? Birds, chicks. Then we can also speak about the pen, like how I gave you an example, Jim's pen. This bag belongs to my mom, so we can say my mom's bag. So have you understood how to write possessive nouns? Now, we said that plural nouns are formed by simply adding an s along with the noun. There are also different other forms of plural nouns that we had studied in the last class, but regular nouns, when you are making it into plural now, we add an s. Like table will become tables, chair will become chairs, Eraser will become erasers. Teacher will become teachers. School will become schools. So these are the regular nouns that we are speaking about. Then we had also discussed about some irregular nouns. What are those irregular singular nouns that we discussed? We said man will change into men. Woman will change into women. Tooth will change into, yes, very good. It will change into teeth. Mouse, exactly, it will change into mice. So these are some irregular singular nouns that we had discussed. Now these two forms of plural nouns, when you are making it into possessive nouns, what change happens? Just be very careful at this point. Let us just look into that with an example. So here the regular plural noun, boys, ball. Boys is plural noun. So when you are writing boys, you add the apostrophe after the S. So it actually means that boys, okay, B-O-Y-S, boys, apostrophe S. So that is how it is actually written. But since it is already a plural noun, we avoid the S after the apostrophe and instead we only use an apostrophe after the plural noun to show that it is a possessive noun formed from a plural noun. Is that clear? You need not add an S after the apostrophe. Okay? So let us look into the next example. Table's legs. Tables is a plural noun. So it is table's legs. Apostrophe after the S. Girl's hand. You can see two girls are standing there. So it is a plural noun. So girls, apostrophe S and hands. We also spoke about the irregular plural nouns. So what happens when you are making possessives out of irregular plural nouns? We write the plural noun as it is and apostrophe and S. Okay. So let us look into this example. Women. Women is an irregular plural noun. So women, apostrophe S, bag. Children, apostrophe S, dolls. Men, apostrophe S, shoes. So this is how possessives are formed from singular nouns and plural nouns. So for singular nouns and irregular plural nouns, there is apostrophe and S. And for regular plural noun, there is only an apostrophe after the plural noun and there is no need to put an S. So this is the simple rule that you need to remember. Let us quickly move into an exercise and you will be able to understand better. So here you are asked to form a possessive nouns from the nouns which is given. So the first one is already done for you. The tails of the monkeys. So whom does the tails belong to? The tails belong to the monkey. So it's written as monkey's tail. Let us look into the next one. The coats of men. Men is an irregular plural noun. So how do you write it? The men, apostrophe S, coats. Next one. The bags of the man. Man is a singular noun. So again, the man, apostrophe S, bags. The man's bags. Fourth one, the saddles of the horses. Horses is a regular plural noun like the monkeys. So how do you write it? The horses, apostrophe and saddles. Only the apostrophe is there. You need not add anything more. Last one, the petals of the flower. The flowers, petals. Flower, apostrophe S, petals. So that was a very simple exercise. I will also give an exercise for you to do as practice. So with this, we are concluding today's class. I hope you have enjoyed and understood possessive nouns. So till we meet again, keep smiling and have a wonderful day. Be good children. Love you all. Thank you.